We are participating in the Chris Effect Challenge for this reason. Savannah wrote this great article on transformational goals, and I believe goal setting is the most powerful force in the universe, if not definitely in business. What you believe, what your mind believes, you can achieve. I'm Greg Stokes. I'm an attorney here in Atlanta, Georgia. We have a thriving personal injury practice, and we've been at it for decades. There's some personal and business goals. So let me talk about the personal goal, which is kind of crazy. I've always wanted to be able to kite surf, so that's my number one personal goal. My number two personal goal is to be able to ballroom dance at my daughter's wedding. That's later this year. Hopefully I'll be successful at both of those things. From the law practice standpoint, the goal, my focus the next 1 and 5 years is to keep the team together and for everyone to be successful in their lives. My humble beginning was getting out of law school, looking for a job, and luckily the Supreme Court had just lifted the advertising ban in the United States, and I started practicing law by just floating a classified ad for attorneys. Nobody advertised, believe it or not, in Atlanta, Georgia, other than me. Positives of 2020. First and foremost, a good year. A great year. I spent more time with my wife. I felt like we were back in our college days when we first met. Really focused on fitness. Dusted off my carbon fiber bike and logged in 10 to 20 miles a day. Lost a total of 70 pounds. I've never been fitter in my life. There was a tremendous tragedy that hit us, and we were able to take the obstacle, turn it into a bridge, and create a positive out of an extremely negative situation. Without question, the single best decision I have made in the history of this firm, and we've been at this for decades, is I was about 10 years into the practice of law, and along came this most wonderful person that needed a job. Her name is Kim Dixon. At that point in time, she was the friend of my office manager, and Kim had her job where she was working, that business had gone out of business. And she was out of work. She was 8 months pregnant. Her and her husband was going to have their first child, and she needed a job. But it was really, we needed all hands on deck and even more hands. So I invited Kim Dixon in. She has been our most extraordinary office manager, most extraordinary bookkeeper, most extraordinary case manager. You know, a few months ago, we started this challenge. We set some goals for the firm, set some goals personally. So for the firm, the big one was giving, and we had a great year. We did great things for a lot of great people. Intake results, pretty good, on target, doing what we want to do. Personally, still on the road to becoming a kite surfer. And as far as ballroom dancing, a little bit of a challenge. I've mastered the box step, but still looking forward to dancing a little better at my daughter's wedding. Thanks for listening. Take care. Greg Stokes, over and out.